Use K-means clustering to segment customers of a bookstore based on various purchasing behaviors. This project aims to reveal distinct customer groups to inform targeted marketing campaigns and enhance bookstore offerings. Approach 1. Objective definition. Goal: understand different customer segments in a bookstore based on purchasing patterns to create targeted marketing strategies and improve service offerings. Outcome: identify distinct groups of customers and understand their unique behaviors and preferences. To data collection, data requirements: gather data including information such as customer IDs, book genres purchased, number of books bought, spending amount per transaction, frequency of visits, and possibly demographic data, age, gender, educational background. Sources: collect data from point-of-sale systems, online purchasing histories, and customer loyalty programs. 3. Data preparation, cleaning, remove anomalies, handle missing data, and deduplicate records to ensure data quality. Feature engineering, create meaningful attributes that might affect purchasing behavior, such as total expenditure, favorite genre, average spending per book, and purchase regularity. Normalization, scale the features to ensure that large values don't disproportionately influence the cluster formation. 4. Exploratory data analysis, EDA, visualization. Use plots like histograms for distribution, scatter plots for relationships, and box plots for spending behaviors. Statistical analysis, generate summary statistics to understand trends and patterns that might influence clustering. 5. Determining the number of clusters, elbow method. Plot the total within cluster sum of squares against a range of cluster numbers to find the optimal count where the decrease in variance becomes marginal. Silhouette analysis, use silhouette scores to assess the clustering quality as a function of the number of clusters. 6. K-means clustering implementation, algorithm application. Apply the K-means clustering algorithm using the scikit-learn library in Python. Iterative refinement, adjust the number of clusters based on the elbow method and silhouette scores, and repeat the clustering process for stability and accuracy. 7. Cluster analysis, interpretation. Analyze each cluster to determine the defining characteristics, such as which genres are popular, average spending, and purchase frequency. Segment profiles, develop detailed profiles for each customer segment, identifying key traits and behaviors. 8. Development of marketing strategies, personalized promotions, design specific promotional campaigns tailored to each segment's preferences and spending behaviors. Inventory adjustments, recommend inventory changes based on the popularity of genres within each segment. Loyalty programs, develop or refine loyalty programs that resonate with the purchasing habits and preferences of each segment. 9. Reporting and presentation, visual representations, create visualizations to represent the segments and their key characteristics. Comprehensive report, draft a detailed report that outlines the methodology, findings, and actionable strategies. Stakeholder presentation, present the results to bookstore management, highlighting key customer segments and recommended strategies.